Hello students, today we learn atomic structure and radioactivity. First upon students, we will learn about the elements. Suppose some elements like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Now their atomic number: hydrogen atomic number 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10. In hydrogen, atomic number 1 and its mass number 1. Suppose this is the nucleus of hydrogen. In nucleus of hydrogen containing proton and neutron. Proton and neutron. This is present in the nucleus, and outermost side as a electron. Electron containing negative charge, proton containing positive charge, neutron has no charge. Now we learn some elements and their mass number. Hydrogen atomic number 1 and mass number 1. Carbon atomic number 6 and mass number 12. Nitrogen atomic number 7 and mass number 14. Oxygen atomic number 8 and mass number 16. Suppose we discuss the structure of oxygen. In oxygen containing proton 8, proton 8, proton 8. So proton means, suppose it is a Z, Z means atomic number 8. Now and their atomic mass A is equal to 16. Now 16 minus 8, we get the number of neutron. In this, neutron is equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 neutron present. So nucleus of oxygen containing 8 neutron and 8 proton, and their mass number 16. Now formula: A for atomic mass, atomic mass, Z means atomic number, number of proton is equal to number of electron, and N means number of neutron. Now atomic mass is equal to atomic number plus neutron. Atomic mass is equal to atomic number plus neutron. Now some example, we calculate the number of neutron present. In sodium containing atomic number 11 and mass number 23. Now A is equal to 23, then atomic number 11 plus N, then 23 minus 11 is equal to number of neutron 12. Number of neutron present in sodium containing 12. Now this sodium containing number of proton is equal to 11, number of neutron is equal to 12, and there are 2 comma 8, 3, sorry 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1. So first cell containing 2 electron, second cell containing 8 electron, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and last cell containing 1 electron present, means total number of electron present 11. 11 means 2, 8, 1, and last cell having only one valence electron. Number of proton is equal to number of electron. Same number of proton and same number of electron, but different number of neutron. Another example, we calculate the number of neutron present. Suppose uranium 235, 92, 235, means atomic number 92 and mass number 235. Suppose 235 is equal to Z means 92 m neutron. Suppose 235 minus 92 is equal to 143. This is the number of neutron present in uranium. We calculate the number of neutron in any elements by this formula, A is equal to Z plus N. Isotopes. Isotopes means, students, elements having same atomic number. The elements having same atomic number but different mass number. Same atomic number means same element present. So same elements means their chemical properties and physical properties are same, but in that only atomic mass number different. Atomic mass number different. Now example, hydrogen. Hydrogen having 3 isotopes, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen. First one is protium 1H1, second one is 1H2 means deuterium, and third one is 1H3 means tritium. In protium 1H1, our formula A is equal to Z plus N. So students, Z is equal to 1, then neutron find. Suppose mass number, atomic mass number 1, so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So protium containing 0 neutron present. Protium containing 0 neutron present. Number of neutron present in protium is equal to 0. In deuterium contain number of neutron 1, 2 minus 1 means it is a 1 neutron, and tritium containing N is equal to 2 means 2 neutron present in tritium, means element having same atomic number but different mass number. So mass number different means number of neutron also different in the isotopes. Now isotopes of carbon. Carbon 612, carbon 613 and carbon 614. This carbon 612 normal carbon, carbon 613 used as a determine the structure, NMR spectroscopy, and carbon 614, it is used for determination or calculation of age of mountains, fossils as a carbon dating. In this, carbon 612 containing 6 neutron present, carbon 613 containing 7 neutron present, and carbon 614 containing 8 neutron present. Now next, isobar. The atoms have different atomic number but same mass number. Different atomic number means which containing different elements present but their mass number same. If different atomic number present, then their chemical properties and physical properties also different. In isobar having example, carbon 614, nitrogen 714. Now carbon and nitrogen both are different atomic number, but in that 1414 it is a they are same mass number, so it is an example of isobar. In isobar having same mass number but different atomic number. Another example, sodium. In sodium containing atomic number 11 and mass number 23. In magnesium containing atomic number 12 and mass number 23. Means 23 sodium and magnesium same atomic mass but their atomic number different, so it is an example of isobar. Now next students, isotone. Isotone, the atoms having same number of neutron present. There is no matter of same atomic number, same mass number, but we need only presence of same number of neutron, then it is an example of isotone. In that example, carbon and nitrogen. So carbon 6, nitrogen 7. Now carbon 613 and nitrogen 714. Now we calculate the number of neutron. In carbon 613 having 7 neutron present and nitrogen 714 containing also 7 neutron present. So both are example of isotone. In isotone having presence of same number of neutron. Same number of neutron. Another example, sodium and magnesium. Sodium 1123, magnesium 1224. So 23 minus 11 is equal to 12 neutron present, and magnesium containing 24 minus 12 is equal also presence of 12 neutron. So this example also example of isotone. Sodium 11, sodium 23, 12 magnesium 24, it is example of isotone. There are same number of neutron.